guys are also doing, and I guess this is part of what Oneida's always done, but it's even more important right now, that you build out the existing interiors, assembling temporary walls and things like that.
Yes.
Out of their home before you bring it in. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yes, let me tell you. So we have had a lot of success with our, what we call is the Oneida process. And the first thing we do is we build a wall separating your living space from our workspace. We put a wall up with 6 mil plastic, and we've been doing this. It's on my 8-week kitchen video, and it's on my 4-week kitchen video. So we've been doing this for the last 15 years, and we put a negative air machine in there to filter the dust. You know, I don't have the knowledge of what that has to do with the pandemic, but just securing our workspace has been standard with Oneida. Now that with the pandemic, it's even more appreciated, I guess, Donna. Separate entrance that we come in. We don't go through the main part of the house. And anywhere that we work in the house, we cover the floors with plastic. So now we're working in people's houses. I have given them the option of, do you want me to finish your project or do you want me to stop? And the 3 major renovations we are working, the people said, please stay and finish my kitchen, finish my bathroom, and finish my basement. So we're working there, and we have 2 new constructions that obviously new construction, we are finishing them. So we're getting great response from our clients. And of course, Donna, the workers are appreciative that, you know, they're as an essential business, they're working and providing for their families and being safe, of course.
I really appreciated when Oneida did our kitchen, how you literally blocked off the kitchen with plastic completely. Yep. So that yep. It really is a construction area. It's away from the home, and you don't really have to go in there and worry about anything.
Hey, if you like what you saw, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.